Hello, Shamanets. It's Suzanne the Beauty Shaman, and today we're giving you a beautiful, practical, and easy to create smoky eye for mature women. Smoky eye is a primary trend for this fall 2024, yet if not done correctly, it can look overdone. At the end of this video, you will know everything you need to look gorgeous. Let's do it. Today, I'm joined by Martha, and we're going to demonstrate the smoky eye look. Martha has all of her makeup on except her eyebrows and smoky eye. We're going for a pretty but glamorous look for a special occasion. Martha has gorgeous silver hair that I will also use to enhance this look. Step 1 is to fill in your eyebrows. We are using the Prime Brow Pencil in Blonde to go with Martha's coloring. I extend her brows a little and then fill them in to better frame her face. I don't want them to be too thick because the main emphasis is on her smoky eye. If you like thick eyebrows, make them a bit softer for this. If you want a quick, simple brow lift, then use the Prime Brow Complete Brow Gel to brush your brows upward to better open up your face. Step 2 is to apply your eyeshadow. Using a neutral shade, like Cream Shadow Nebula in this video, apply shadow all over the lid area and under the eye if your eyes can handle that. Then use a darker brown shade on the outer corners of your eye. If you want, add a little shiny shadow to the center of your eye for a little more glamour. On Martha, I'm using Australia. Step 3 is to use your eyeliner pencil. Next, use a dark brown, easy to blend, water-resistant eyeliner pencil like Prime Eyes Glide Eyeliner in Mocha, and apply it next to the eye on the top and the bottom if that works for your eyes. Then take a softer shade like Copper in the waterline top and bottom. Step 4 is to blend. Dip your soft blender brush into any eyeshadow color you want. In this particular video, I'm using the same shadow I used in the crease. Run it along the pencil line around the eye to soften the edges. This can be tricky to not have the blended line be too thick and make you look like an owl. You can always remove a little if you need to. Step 5, maximum eyelashes. With smoky eyes, you need maximum eyelashes. To achieve this, I curl Martha's lashes, then I add Prime Lash Volumizer and mascara. For fun, you can also add a few single lashes to plump up the outer edge if you want a little bit more glamour. And this is the final look. Martha has her hair curled and her makeup done for her special event. I love how the smoky eye really brings out Martha's blue eyes without looking overdone. Please let me know what you thought of this and any questions that you have. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.